Hello, my name is Shankar, and I'm going to talk through the search box feature in Oasys 19. Firstly, previous versions of D3Plot, Primer, and DHIS supported a quick find capability that could be accessed by clicking the respective magnifying glass icons or by hitting the shortcut key hash. Quick find could locate various menus or tutorials, and in the case of Primer, model components as well. Some users have mentioned that this functionality could be difficult to access, and a few have expressed concerns about a lack of awareness. In version 19, the search functionality can be accessed from the top bars of all three programs, thereby making it more prominent. The shortcut key hash is still applicable. Search terms can be typed after clicking anywhere in the new search box or after typing hash. For example, we can quickly get to measure node to node using search. In D3Plot, the size of the search box and other search options can be controlled by clicking Utilities and then on Search Ops. In Primer, search options can be accessed by clicking Options, Program Options, and then choosing the Search pull-down. And in DHIS, search options can be availed by clicking Options, Settings, and then choosing the Search tab. Thank you.